Did you know that growing peas at home is super easy and some types even help improve your soil? Today, we'll explore 5 types of peas you can grow from seed, plus tips for harvesting, soil prep, and dealing with common issues. Let's make you a pea growing pro. Growing 5 types of peas from seed. Snow peas! These are great for salads and stir fries. Plant them an inch deep in early spring and give them something to climb on for the best results. Dwarf garden peas, perfect for small spaces and pots. Just plant, water regularly, and they'll thrive with minimal fuss. Green manure peas, these enrich your soil. Plant them, let them grow, and then turn them back into the soil for natural fertilizer. Field peas, hardy and low maintenance. These peas can handle tough conditions and help prevent soil erosion. Sweet peas, not for eating, but they add beauty to your garden with their fragrant blooms. Plant early for an extended season of color. Harvesting peas. When to harvest, look for full pods. They're ready when they feel plump. Snow peas, though, are best when still flat. How? To harvest, gently pinch the stem above the pod to avoid damaging the plant. Storing peas to keep your harvest fresh, blanch, and freeze your peas. They'll stay tasty for months. Tips for growing peas. Soil prep peas like slightly acidic to neutral soil. Add compost or manure to give them a great start.
Planting plant seeds an inch deep and add a trellis if needed.
This keeps plants off the ground and reduces disease risk. Watering water deeply, but don't overdo it. Let the soil dry a bit between waterings to prevent root rot. Common problems with peas. Pests for aphids. Use insecticidal soap or invite ladybugs to your garden. Powdery mildew can be prevented by ensuring good airflow. Weeds mulch around plants to keep weeds down and retain moisture. Weather issues. Peas like cooler weather, so plant early in spring or provide some shade if temperatures rise. And that's all you need to grow peas at home. Which type are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!